Welcome to Naukri for You, an online study for you initiative. So guys, once again, welcome back to your own YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to discuss about two job opportunities. One is from Tech Mahindra and another is from Cognizant. So in this video, I will discuss everything and I will tell you everything about these job opportunities, about the job profile and who can apply for these, what are the eligibility criteria, educational qualification and everything. Okay, so don't skip this video, watch till end and do share this video with your friends also. Okay, now let's start discussing about this job profile in detail. And before starting that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, so make sure that you have subscribed to it and press the bell icon also, so that you will get all the notifications from our YouTube channel. So first one is from Tech Mahindra for hiring for international voice process, and the location would be in Pune for this job profile. And who can apply for this? So basically, freshers can also apply for this job profile, and who have experience of 0 to 5 years of experience in this domain, they can also apply for this. Okay, and the salary would be from 2,25,000 per annum to 3,75,000 per annum. So it varies according to your resume, according to your knowledge. And we'll discuss later about that, how can you apply for this, how can you register for this. Before that, let's discuss about the job description, what they have mentioned in their JD for this job profile. That is, the eligibility criteria is candidate with minimum 3 to 6 months of BPO experience is mandate. So basically आपका 3 to 6 months का minimum 3 to 6 months का आपका BPO में experience होना चाहिए. That is mandatory as they mention in their job description. And undergraduate with experience can apply. So under graduation अगर आपने BTech किया है, BE किया है, BCom किया है, कोई भी डिग्री अगर आपके पास बैचलर डिग्री है, अंडर ग्रेजुएट हो आप, सो आप एक्सपीरियंस अगर आपके पास है मिनिमम 3 to 6 months का, सो यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस. ओके, एंड ग्रेजुएट फ्रेशर्स कैन ऑल्सो अप्लाई. सो अगर आप फ्रेशर हो, आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, तभी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. कैंडिडेट शुड बी एक्सीलेंट इन कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स एंड फ्लेक्सिबल टू वर्क इन नाइट शिफ्ट ऑल्सो with 2 weekly off. So यहाँ पे आपको क्या बोल रहे हैं कि आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए और नाइट शिफ्ट में काम करने के लिए यू शुड बी फ्लेक्सिबल. ओके, और 2 weekly ऑफ रहेगा आपका, लाइक सैटरडे एंड संडे. कैंडिडेट शुड बी ओके विद वर्क फ्रॉम ऑफिस एंड शुड बी वैक्सीनेटेड फर्स्ट डोज. तो यहाँ पे ये आपको वर्क फ्रॉम ऑफिस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं एंड आपका फर्स्ट डोज जो वैक्सीनेशन का है वो होना चाहिए. ठीक है, सैलरी नेगोशिएबल है. आपके, जैसा कि मैंने कहा, आपके रिज्यूमे पे डिपेंड करता है, आपके नॉलेज, आपके स्किल पे डिपेंड करता है, बट सैलरी वेरी करेगा फ्रॉम 2,25,000 टू 3,75,000. ओके, इमीडिएट ज्वाइनर्स को प्रेफरेंस मिल रहा है. अगर आप इमीडिएट ज्वाइनर हो तो आपको प्रेफरेंस मिलेगा. कैंडिडेट्स हु आर इन पुणे आर ओनली एलिजिबल. सो जो पुणे में है, दे आर ओनली एलिजिबल फॉर दिस जॉब प्रोफाइल. ओके, सो इफ यू आर फ्रॉम पुणे, देन यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस. Kindly share the post with friend, family and colleagues and anyone who is looking for a job. And आपको अपना रिज्यूमे इस नंबर पे सेंड करना है. यहाँ पे एक ईमेल एड्रेस भी दिया हुआ है. You can directly send your updated resume to this particular number or email address. And if we talk about the key skills which are required for this job profile is customer support, customer service, international call center, customer care, sales agent, freshers, voice process, customer handling, and international BPO. Okay, so these are the key skills which are required for this particular job profile. And now let me tell you that how can you apply for this. So just, if you already have an account with this, so just click on login to apply and enter your email address here and your password, and then you can directly log in and apply for this job profile. And if you don't have an account with this, so just click register to apply, and you have to register yourself first. What you have to do here, just enter your name, email ID, create a password, mobile number, and then just click on if you are experienced, then just click on I am experienced. And if you are a fresher, so just click on this side, I am a fresher, and then click on register now. So this is how you can register yourself with this, and then you can apply for this job profile. Now let's talk about the another job opportunity, which is from Cognizant, and the job profile is trainee junior data analyst. So Cognizant is hiring for junior data analyst. And let's talk about the qualification. So graduation, post graduation, and any degree in pharmacy, medical science and registered nurse. So basically अगर आपने post graduation किया है, graduation किया है, और अगर आपके पास doctorate degree है in life science, pharmacy, medical science and registered nurse. So अगर आपके पास ये degrees है, ये qualification है, then only you can apply for this. Okay. यहाँ पे इन्होंने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी में मेंशन किया है बिजनेस एंड कस्टमर के अंदर दैट मिनिमल कस्टमर इंटरैक्शन अंडर गाइडेंस, अंडरस्टैंड डोमेन प्रोसेस, सब प्रोसेस फंक्शंस, टर्मिनोलॉजीज सच एज एसओपी एंड क्यूएस चेकलिस्ट। सो ये कस्टमर एंड सर्विस बिजनेस के अंदर इन्होंने जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मेंशन की है ये है, और कोडिंग के अंदर भी इन्होंने और सीडीएम के अंदर भी इन्होंने कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज मेंशन किए हैं. So let's discuss those also. Perform coding activities on the assigned project with timeline and efficiency. तो आपको जो भी प्रोजेक्ट असाइन किया जाएगा उस पे आपको कोडिंग की एक्टिविटीज करनी है. एंड वेट अ सेकेंड. With timeline and efficiency, import uncode terms in database and export coded medical terms for coding platform. So coding platform के थ्रू आपको medical codes के लिए coding करनी है. And CMD में they have mentioned that limited to study conduct activities and all. And this is project and process, like handling first level processing of assigned transaction complex problem as referred to supervisor and line manager. This is knowledge management, people and team management. So I will put the link of both the job opportunities in the description box so that you can go through it and apply for this job profile. And how can you apply for this? So just click on apply now, and then you will come to this new page from where you just wait a second, it is taking a little bit time. So for that, just wait a second. So basically what you have to do is just enter your email address and your password, and this is how you can apply for this job profile also. And once again guys, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, so make sure कि आप इसको subscribe कर लो and press the bell icon also, and do share these videos with your friends also. Okay, till then take care, bye bye.